boys and girls. Today for math, we are going to be talking about dimes and pennies. Now, yesterday I read you a book about nickels, and the day before that I read you a book about pennies, and today I'm going to read to you a book about dimes. Dimes are American coins. Dimes are made out of metal. President Franklin D. Roosevelt is on the front of the dime. He was the 32nd President of the United States of America. On the back of the dime are a torch, that's this, an olive branch, and an oak branch. Here you can see these. The torch stands for knowledge. The olive branch stands for peace, and the oak branch stands for strength. Here's the olive branch, here's the oak branch. Pennies and nickels have smooth sides. Dimes have bumpy sides. A dime is worth 10 pennies. 10 dimes makes $1. 10 dimes can buy this ice cream cone. Dimes can be used to buy many things. The end. All right, so you remember that the value of a dime is 10 cents. Okay. So now that we reviewed what a dime is, we're also going to review how to count a group of coins. I explained this in our lesson yesterday. If you have a group of coins and they have different values, the important thing to remember is you always start with the greatest value. You find the coins that are worth the most, you add those up, and then you add up the other ones. Now today we are working with dimes and pennies. So we're doing the same thing as yesterday that we did with the nickels, but we're starting with the dimes. All right, something else we're gonna work on today is matching coins to prices. So we're taking the skill we learned yesterday and now we're gonna apply it to something new today. All right, okay. Let's pretend we wanted to buy this Lego fire truck and it has a price tag of 23 cents. I need to know if I have enough money to buy this Lego truck. I'm going to use what I learned yesterday to see if we have enough money. Will you help me figure this out? Which coins have the greatest value in my collection of coins? I hope you said dimes. I'm going to pull out my dimes first. I have 1 dime. I have 2 dimes. And now I'm going to pull out my coins that are less in value. Okay, now I've sorted them. This makes adding them up a lot easier. Will you help me count them? Now this time, remember we're working with dimes, not nickels. So we're not counting by 5s, we're counting by 10s. So let's count 10, 20, now I can't go to 30 because this is not a dime. It's a penny, so we have to add 1. So 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. Yes, I have enough change to buy this Lego truck. It costs 23 cents and I have 23 cents. In our last example, we just so happened to have the exact amount of change that we needed to buy that Lego car. Now in this example, we have a different car that we want to buy, and the price for this one is 54 cents. Now as you can see, there are a lot of coins in our pile here, and we need to figure out if we have 54 cents. All right, last time we separated the coins, and I can do that again. But you may not have coins to work with today, so I want to show you another way that you can do this. First of all, we need to find the coin with the greatest value, just like we learned yesterday. Which coin has the greatest value in this pile of coins? The dimes, that's right, because today we are only working with dimes and pennies. So the dimes have the greatest value. Now on my price tag, I see that I need 54 cents. And what I need to do is I need to find at least 5 dimes, because if I know that 1 dime is 10 cents, then 5 dimes would be 50 cents. So I want to find at least 5 dimes so that I can get close to 54 cents without going over. If I find 6 dimes, how much would I have? 60 cents. That's right, and that would be too much. So I want to find 5 dimes so that I can get to 50 cents. All right, let me see if we can find some. I'm going to use my marker and I'm going to circle around 5 dimes. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, look at these ones. They're all close together. I see 5 dimes. Now, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dimes, and now I need 4 ones. Do you see 4 pennies? I do. I'm going to circle my pennies. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Look at that. I made 54 cents. It's okay that we have all of this extra change. We don't need it if we're buying this. It's just extra to save. But we were able to make 54 cents using 5 dimes and 4 pennies. Now we can buy this Lego car. We are going to review this one more time just to make sure that you understand it. Matching coins to prices. First, you add the coins with the biggest value until you get close to the price without going over. Then second, you add the smaller value coins until you match the price. Today in your work, you will have change already drawn on your paper. You will simply have to circle around the coins that you need to match the price. I recommend that you practice this at home before you start the work. Take out some objects and ask your family to make a price tag for it, under $1 that is, and see if you can use just dimes and pennies to match that price. It may help if you have real change laying around your house, maybe under your bed, in a couch cushion, in the car, or maybe your parents can lend you some if you don't have any. Anyway, it's a lot easier to learn this if you're using real money. When you finish practicing, go ahead and open the assignment in Seesaw and give it a try. Thanks! Miss you guys!